Shares of biotech company Recursion soared 78% today after announcing a $50 million investment from NVIDIA, which is going to speed up the development, perhaps, of Recursion's AI models for drug discovery.
They are one of our close partners, is actually going to be using one of our LLM software tools called Low as part of the infrastructure for our partnership. And I think this really represents one of the first times a large pharmaceutical company is going to be adopting these kinds of tools, these AI tools, into the way they discover and develop medicines together with us. And then, as you mentioned, Jensen is going to be joining us. They've been an incredible partner for the last year and even before. And we just announced a few weeks ago that we are now operating the fastest supercomputer in all of biopharma, BioHive 2. NVIDIA was a huge part of that, and he's going to be joining me on stage here in Salt Lake City in just a few minutes so we can talk to investors and analysts about how critical it is to bring together both tech and bio for this next generation of biopharma. Using these tools, we can roughly 3x the speed of discovering and developing medicines towards the clinic and dramatically reduce the cost. So we're really scaling and making discovering and developing medicines more efficient. But ultimately, the most important lever is going to be improving the probability of success, because as we talked about last time, Morgan and John, 90% of drugs that go into clinical trials today fail. And that's despite incredible scientists dedicating their entire career to advancing these medicines. And it's because biology is so complex. And machine learning and AI are the right tools when you bring the right data and the right compute to bear to help us make sense and really decode biology. And when we do that, we think over the coming decade, Recursion and companies like us will be able to demonstrate an increase in the probability of success. And that's ultimately the lever that everybody wants to see pulled.
We're gonna funk with your mind tonight, shit. Keep it moving, fellas.